Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another proper tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And today we are in the Hills of Kingswood in Frisco, Texas, at GUTMAN Custom Homes. And the address of this property is 3650 Balfour Court in Frisco, Texas, zip code 75034. And the asking price is $5,299,992. Let's stroll on around. So as I was saying, this is GUTMAN Custom Homes. Special thanks to Alex and Milana for letting us in this beautiful custom built property. And let's get into some specs here. So this is 6 beds, 8 baths, and that's 5 full baths, 3 half baths to equal that 8. 2 fireplaces, 7,916 square feet, and this was built in 2023. And it has a 5-car garage sitting on 0.390 of an acre. And it is zoned to Louisville ISD, Hicks Elementary, Arbor Creek Middle School, Hebron High School. This does have the primary bedroom downstairs with a guest bedroom, as well as the office. Look how beautiful this is, y'all. Absolutely smoking. Alex and Milana did a fantastic job building this custom home. There we have the mud room, and that's the garage bay in there. Here's a half bath. Look at this tile. Holy smokes. Love that. And let's talk a little bit about GUTMAN Custom Homes, if you're not too familiar with them. They are an outstanding builder here in the DFW Metroplex. They are, like I was saying, a custom home builder. And they specialize in luxury new construction and full home renovations. So if you need some renos done, absolutely hit them up. And they are an industry-leading builder here in DFW. And as I was saying, Alex and Milana are the owners and CEO of GUTMAN Custom Homes. And the steps for GUTMAN Custom Homes: Stage 1, water and sewage. Stage 2, foundation. Stage 3, framing, electrical, mechanical, gas, and plumbing. Stage 4, insulation. Stage 5, that's when you put it all together: masonry, flooring, trim, paint, and all that good stuff. In Stage 6, the final inspections, and then after that, you get to enjoy your brand new GUTMAN Custom Home. And these are extremely energy efficient homes. And we are just strolling along here, y'all. And if you haven't already, please be sure to smash that subscribe button to join the America's Realtor YouTube family. And as always, please drop in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and if you would live in a place like this. And if you're interested in moving to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com or fill out an inquiry form in the description below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can with as much info I can provide to you. And if you don't already, please throw me that follow on Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Americas_Realtor. And I would love to have you aboard. And here we have the master suite and the master bath with that garden tub, separate floating vanities with a walk-in shower. And over here we got the toilet and a full walk-in closet. Let me turn on the light for y'all. There we go. Huge closet. Some drawers. And this goes back into the laundry room. And we'll come out over here. Back to the main living area. We'll head upstairs. And I'm about to cue the music and let y'all enjoy the rest of this property tour in Frisco, Texas. And as always, if you need to reach out to me, my number is 817-716-9412, and I would love to hear from you. Enjoy.
a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with